In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails with ClickUp. If you work in ClickUp and want to keep your communication tied to your tasks and spaces, sending an email directly from ClickUp is a simple way to do it. We'll walk through the flow from opening your account all the way to hitting send so you can keep everything organized in one place. First, open your ClickUp account. Once you're in, head to the specific space where the email belongs. Think of a space as the top-level home for a team, a client, or a project. Choosing the right one helps keep the message context clear for anyone reviewing activity later. Click the space to open it. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the activity area. This panel is where updates, comments, and related actions live, so it's a great place to manage communication without leaving your workflow. Within activity, look for the email option and click it. This opens the email composer right inside ClickUp. Now enter the recipient's email address. Take a moment to confirm spelling and domain, since a small typo can prevent delivery. Next, add a clear, specific subject line that summarizes the purpose of your message. Short, descriptive subjects make it easier to find and reference emails later. In the message field, write your email. Keep it focused on the task or space you're working in. If you're referencing dates, files, or decisions, mention them plainly so readers have everything they need without switching tabs. Use paragraphs or brief lines to keep it readable and keep the tone professional and friendly. Before you send, glance over the message to ensure names, numbers, and links are accurate, and avoid including any sensitive information that shouldn't be shared by email. When everything looks good, click send. That's it. Your email goes out and the action is tied back to this space's activity stream, which helps your team see what was communicated and when. This makes follow-ups much easier because the context is already attached to your work. To recap, you opened ClickUp, navigated to the right space, opened its activity panel, clicked email, filled in the recipient, subject, and message, and clicked send. With this simple workflow, you keep communication centralized, reduce tool switching, and make your project history more transparent. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, you're ready to send your next email from ClickUp with clarity and confidence.